cupcakes today. Mind you, it's 10 o'clock at night. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. This is what we're working with. We got a fun fit. My mom took out one that isn't expired this time. Okay, we're gonna use this bowl. Let's see. Water, oil, 3 eggs. This in here. I find it kind of crazy that I can like use instructions for like baking a cake, but then when it comes to like hair dye, I like don't care. I don't follow those instructions. I think they're made up. I actually don't know where this half a cup is, or if we even have one, low-key. It's the worst noise ever. Okay, I don't know if this is right, but I think I'm just gonna fill. I'll just do 1/3 actually. I can't help to have a little more oil, right? Maybe. Okay. Why does it not smell like anything? Like, I feel like it's supposed to smell like something. I used this last time, and so I'm hoping that it's fine, because last time they tasted fine. So yeah. I think that's all I'm getting. And then 3 eggs. It's like he's trying to do a skateboard trick, dude. Okay, I'll just mix it all together. Last time I did this, I actually... I'm just got the 10% better anyway. Who cares? Anyway, last time I did the baking vlog, I spent the whole vlog just mixing it. What is this, bro? But yeah, my parents, I don't actually know if they actually like them or if they were just lying to me just to make me feel better about myself, but they said that they like them, so they're not different cake mix. I kind of think they were getting on the cake mix, so I was just making one cake mix. Well, there's so much fun. Okay, now we gotta get... I'm gonna set the oven. Alright, now we go spray our pans. That's so nice. So nice. I don't know if we'll use both, but we're just gonna say that we are because I did last. I did last time.
It's like a sneeze, sending thousands of germs across your mouth.
I don't really know how much you're supposed to use, but it should be fine, right? Put this there. And we put all this right in there. Okay, I got the first one done, but like low-key, I did too much oil, so I did it. Okay, now the second one. Okay. I just realized that I didn't actually mix all of this at the bottom, but it's fine, so you just like those other things. So now the oven is preheated, so we're just gonna add that in there. And we're probably gonna eat this just because it's for fun. Okay, I put them in for 30 minutes because I don't remember what I did last time. So now I'm just gonna eat the rest of this cake batter. But there's only like a little bit, so it's fine. I almost just fell over. This is the next day because I was too lazy to film last night, but the cupcakes turned out good. I literally had one and I fell asleep. But yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment what you guys want to see next. And love y'all.